Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope you are very fit and fine. Today I want to share a very beautiful people and very beautiful designs ideas to show in this channel, and crochet many things like different kinds, many things ideas like amazing videos, and this video is all about the crochet poncho designs ideas. Crochet poncho designs, I have made this most fantastic designs and more amazing videos. In such videos in salute pictures, reference, how beautiful meets that more fantastic elegance. Winter season is the best collection of poncho designs. Crochet is something that I am obsessed with, so beautiful, more of emotions. I have emotions conditions, and with the crochet, like I have sweaters, t-shirts, crop top. It's up to me how style them. It's videos, basically ideas to present it. It has dog in other places of in a totally different. This bin is my most favorite. That alright have different colors. It has different amazing poncho designs, poncho ideas. May Allah Almighty, may Allah keep loving, keep smiling, keep sharing in the same way. Ameen. You look the very prettiest ideas, prettiest videos of multi things, and never out of passions. Never you can own solid poncho designs idea. This one is so pretty, can flatter me. This is a solid poncho designs and favorite blue and white combination that absents with print, and also pretty models is so very beautiful designs of insides and different things like black are my favorite colors, and different colors combination. It's so beautiful. My so looking this is colors black, green, red, white. Okay, it has a designs that basics. Okay, you can find a website. All if you want to comments in down, I will post this link in channel. This is so amazing designs of things.